Understanding Agile Methodology. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into an interesting and widely used concept in project management and software development: Agile methodology. If you're curious about what makes Agile special and how it's applied in professional settings, you're in the right place. We'll break it down into simple terms, so stay tuned. Agile methodology is a project management approach that focuses on delivering work in small, manageable increments, known as iterations or sprints. Unlike traditional methods, which aim to deliver a complete product at the end, Agile encourages continuous improvement and adaptation throughout the project life. It's a collaborative, flexible, and customer-centric approach. Agile is built on a set of principles that guide teams on how to execute tasks effectively. Some of these principles include customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery of valuable software, welcoming changing requirements, even late in development, delivering working software frequently, with a preference to shorter timescales, close, daily cooperation between business people and developers. Projects are built around motivated individuals who should be trusted. Face-to-face conversation is the best form of communication. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Agile processes promote sustainable development. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. The best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Adopting Agile can bring numerous benefits to an organization or project, including improved product quality. Regular reviews and iterations mean that quality is maintained throughout development. Higher customer satisfaction. Customers are involved and engaged throughout the project, ensuring the end product meets their needs. Increased project control. Frequent inspections of the work being done allow for quick identification and resolution of issues. Reduced risks. Agile's iterative nature means that risks are identified and dealt with systematically. Faster ROI. Agile allows for the development of a usable product from the early stages of the project, making a return on investment possible sooner. While Agile is the overarching philosophy, there are several frameworks or methodologies that implement its principles, including Scrum, focuses on managing tasks within a team-based development environment. Kanban, aims to manage work by balancing demands with available capacity and improving the handling of bottlenecks. Extreme Programming, XP, emphasizes customer satisfaction and aims to improve software quality and responsiveness to changing customer requirements. Agile methodology is much more than just a way of developing software. It's a mindset that encourages flexibility, collaboration, and a relentless focus on delivering value to the customer. We hope this video has shed light on the fundamentals of Agile and how it's transforming project management and software development. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Until next time, keep learning and stay agile.